came and he asked me, what am I doing with the temple given to me? The living sacrifice, it should only be holy, spotless and blameless before me. Why do you intend for me to live with so many conditions? Oh no, I'm sorry. See, malice, envy, hatred and strife, they should not be a part of your life. And anything that may cause my heart, my soul, my mind, body to lose control, cut it off, Lord. And anything that may do more harm than good, let me see it, Lord. Let me see it for its truth. Yeah, no, this temple's not my own, but yours, oh Lord. Take over and take control. This temple, it must be clean, it must be clean, oh Lord. Keep your dwelling place clean. This temple must be clean. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep your dwelling place clean. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Thank you very much.